Hey everybody, thanks for tuning back in. This is Booster Bill. I just wanted to show you today I bought Call of Duty Black Ops 6 for the PS5 and went ahead and bought a new stick of memory to put in it. I don't particularly like the kind of flash drives that you got to switch the games over from, but so if you install this, it's a 1 terabyte of additional memory inside of it. You don't have to mess with any of that. It just adds to your memory. So also, I changed the collars on my PS5 recently. Bought a new set off TikTok shop. They were really cheap. I thought try something different. So that's what we're doing today. So if you've done this before, you know that you just set it down with the CD player up, grab it on the corner here, and pull up and then down, and it pops off. So that's the first step in the process. And you can see here, this will be the one that we'll be taking out. This cover, got one screw on it on this side. We'll pull that off and then we'll go from there. So you can see just one screw, it's a Phillips head. So we pop that out and this cover comes right off. And what you're going to have to do is take this screw out and then we will add the memory to it. It'll snap in down here on the circuit board, and then we'll put the screw back in to hold the memory in place. So that's the next step. As you can see, I've got the WD Black 1 terabyte Gen 4 to put in it. This one was recommended. So you see those slots right there. That's where it'll clip down into, and then you'll just hook it to the screw hole that fits. So I'll take this, put it right down in there. There we go. Locks down. You can see it lines right up with that screw hole. Once you've clipped that in, get your screw with the little round cylinder that's on it. It came out of it. And you just press that there. And get your screwdriver and screw that in. You see, it's all locked in. Now we're ready to put the cover back over it. Simply take this. You can see that it's got a little clip on it. You just stick that under there. Close that. Take your screw. Put that one back in. These are all Phillips screws, by the way. Just so you know, nothing special. All right, we'll put the cover back on, same way we took it off. You see it's got the little pins on it. So you put that on, then kind of just pull it down, and it fits right into the holes that are in there. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget, it is also going to ask you to format it once you turn it on after installing that for the first time. So make sure that you select yes, and then it tells you the read speed of it. So there you go. Good luck, everyone. It will also ask you, once you're done formatting it, if you want to change where your games are stored at, don't forget, you got to tell it where to go: settings, storage, installation location. So once your normal drive gets filled up, you can tell everything to go to there.